Yesterday was Saturday, February 12th, 2022, and I went to the St. Andrew Catholic School in Milford, Ohio, because they were hosting a train show in their gymnasium. Once I was inside, it was nice to see that the majority of the trains there, both on display and for sale, were in O gauge or O scale. This operating display features a nice variety of MTH and Lionel products and accessories. It's really well done. I liked this a lot. Even this layout, which I think was maybe 12 by 12 feet, took a lot of work to set up, and I wonder how early some of these enthusiasts get here to set up both their tables or a working layout like this. It has to take a lot of time. I walked past this table at least 4 or 5 times, and it was because of this B&O freight set. It was listed at $135. They were all in their original boxes. It had 5 freight cars and a GP7 locomotive for Baltimore and Ohio, which is one of my favorite rail lines. They're in great shape, but ultimately I left without it. So I'm a little sad about that, but I also feel a little proud for not spending the money on something I didn't actually need that much. So, is that good? I think it's good. Maybe I showed some self-control. I think it's good. It's good, right? These next 2 locomotives were both dummy units made by Lionel. The Frisco was listed at $30. I think I could have bought that for $25. There's a Burlington Northern unit for $35. I probably could have gotten that cheaper as well, but these would have been very complicated repaints. Now an F3 shell, on the other hand, is not too bad, and this one was only $15. To see if I bought this, tune in next time where I'll show you my bargains on Bob's Workshop. Take care.